Hello, this is a trading video of XRP which I'm trading in a 3-minute chart. So in here we can see that how we can trade using pattern analysis, and especially I'm using Eliiott Wave analysis in this live chart, and I'll show you how we can trade using pattern analysis in trading, and how to use stop losses and manage money during trading. So here I'm showing you this XRP 3-minute chart, and we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 swings. This is a 5-wave impulsive and a bullish signal. Then we have the A, B, and C corrective, and so this could be an AB, a bigger ABC, which we are saying A and the B and the C could end around here. This move, expecting this move currently, since we are seeing in a 3-minute chart in a larger picture that there is an impulsive wave here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then A, B, C correction. So we have to see another move up from here. So since this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and ABC, and the C does not come below the first wave, I can say that this should be a zigzag pattern. So this could be what I'm expecting here is 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, something like this. Okay, something I'm expecting to see something like this. So this could be the first wave of third, second, and third, fourth, fifth should end like this around, or expecting it to hit this channel line. So as you can see, this channel line has been in 5-minute chart. We can see this channel line from above here coming down. So most probably I'm expecting this price to go and end here in this channel line. So how much would that be? Around above 2%. So since I put my buy here, so this is my buy. Now talking about trading, now what we are seeing here is this is the wave 2, and we have the first wave, second wave. So the third wave should this third wave should end around 161.8 most probably, and the fifth wave could end around here. This is the probable movement which I am looking into right now. So we are expecting this price to move up, so I put on a trade buy here. So this will be the buy, okay, this will be the buy right here. So why did I put a buy here? Because the channel line, upper channel line, was broken. As you can see, the market moves in a fractal. This channel line broke, then up, channel line break, so we are expecting up, and the larger picture also shows that the trend is for the time being up for a short time. And if we look according to Eliiott Wave, now today I'm going to focus especially on using pattern analysis to maximize profits, and how to trade using stop loss and protective stops, and money management during trading. So first of all, what I would expect is how do I use my protective stop losses. So if I put a buy here after the breakout of the channel, which is a strong confirmation according to my technical analysis, I would put my stop loss here just below. So this is my buy, and this is where I would put my stop loss. So this is the point of stop loss. Okay, so we have our strategy right now. So this is already bought here. So what would be my risk to reward ratio right here? So if I am expecting the price to go third wave to at least move here, I would first of all take a long position here. So this is my buy, and I would expect this move to go from here to here. So my stop loss would be around here. So that is how much? 1:3.3 ratio. So I'm risking $1 to earn $3.39. So that is pretty fair according to trading plan, and this is should be our strategy. So if the price falls below this level, I will implement this stop loss plan. I will lose $1 and exit the trade. But if my trade works accordingly, and the price goes up to here, I will earn $3.39, so $3.35. Okay, so this is my strategy right here. This is just a demo for how to trade in any market, and how to make a strategy accordingly, and how to manage your risk while trading. So for now, I used the 3-minute chart to enter, and I will again use 3-minute chart to exit this trade. So I will pause this video for now, and let's see after some time what the price does. Okay, so what we can see here now is this was our target, 161.8 Fibonacci extension, and almost it has been reached here. So this is our first target. Now here I would want to book my profit here also. So we already have profit where we risked $1 and with a profit of $3.5 already. So 1:3.5 risk to reward ratio is a very good one. We have this first and the second and third and fourth and the fifth coming up. So I know from this structure that the trend is intact, the uptrend is intact, it has not yet finished. So I'll better hold my position, and I can move my protective stop higher up to this level here. So now, in case if the price comes below this point, I will book my profit. So in that way, my profit also stays intact, since I don't want to be too greedy in this point. So the profit protective stop, I have made it much tighter here, so that way we will be able to also catch this trend, continue with the trend, ride with the trend, and also book our profits in a defensive way. So if when the target reaches the fifth wave, then I'm going to make this protective stop much tighter in that case, but for the time being I'm putting my protective stop around here. So if we see a close above this level, then we can expect this move to go this Fibonacci extension, that is 261.8%. The resistance line, channel resistance line, which we can see here. So we don't know yet if the resistance will be taken here or not, or will it break the resistance. If the resistance is broken, we can expect this move to be not a corrective, but more a impulsive move, since I'm looking at this as a B and C corrective pattern. But if the channel breaks, that might be more like an impulsive, and the trend, if this upper trend line is broken, that will give a much stronger confirmation that this trend could go much higher than this. So if I look into the 15 minutes chart, what I can see here is this larger trend line. So this is the channeling which I've been looking into, the channel line. This is the corrective pattern moving inside a channel, and within that I have been trading inside this channel for right now in 3 minutes time frame. So what we can see here is almost it has touched the upper trend line of the channel, but let's see what we can. Okay, so the third wave has been extended above the 161.8 area. So what we can say here is, this is the first and this is the second. So third wave goes above the 160, closes above the 161.8 Fibonacci extension. So we are expecting this move to continue going up and hit this next target most probably. So inside the third wave we can see clearly the 5 waves. So if we look closely, this is the first, this is the second. So in the third wave we have another waves. If I label this, you can see that this is the first wave, this is the second wave, and the third, fourth and fifth. So still there is a huge possibility that this could move much higher. This could be the third of third, and the third wave might go and end around this point here. So in that case the channel line resistance is also there. A big move we have captured here. So that would be around from here to here is 1.48%, very good for, especially if you are margin trading in cryptocurrencies. It's a big move. So this could be the third of third, 161.8%. So we're expecting the move to continue much higher, and the fourth wave could follow from here. So the protective stop is right now, currently I put it here. So if this is the third of the third wave, then I would expect this to end around this area. So expect it to end around this 23.6 and 38.2, this zone, and then continue up. Hello and welcome back once again. So now you can see once again that in the last video we were expecting if the wave 3 goes up, if this price goes above 161.8 Fibonacci extension, then it will hit this level here, and that would be the 261.8 Fibonacci retracement. So I moved my protective stop up to this level here, just a little bit below 161.8%. So if the price goes below this, I book my profit. So our buying point was here, and we already are 3% almost in profit. So right now we can see this 1 2 3 4 5, and the channel line has been broken above, and the fifth wave is still intact. So the fifth wave might hit this upper channel line right here, which I'm expecting could be end here, and where I can book my profit. Okay, so what we saw was that the price could come around this area. So my protective stop was just below 161.8. So we can see the price come up to here, and now the fifth wave could go from here to this area here. But for that I need a little bit confirmation, and I'm waiting for the confirmation for the price to move up. So that confirmation will come accordingly if the price is able to break this high right here. And before that there is another confirmation. This is another confirmation I'd like to see. The price break above this high, then this high, then we can expect the price to move up to this level here. Okay, so now what we are seeing is the third wave has ended in the 261.8% Fibonacci extension, and the fourth wave most probably has ended here, and our protective stop was just below this 161.8 Fibonacci extension, and the price did not come below this, close below this. So from here we are expecting, if this resistance is broken, then we can expect the price to move higher, and the strong confirmation if this breaks the upper, this one, will be a strong confirmation that the trend could continue going higher, and probably the fifth wave could end around here. So right now we want the price to close above this resistance here. This is the resistance line. Should cross over this, close over this, and you can be sure that after this is broken and becomes support, most probably this could be broken easily. Okay, so finally now we can see this was a protective stop here, and then we can see that this line has been broken, and this resistance has been broken, and it became the support and continuing higher. So this shows that the trend is still intact, and now we are expecting it to hit this target around here. So I can move my protective stop much higher, and what I can do now is I can make my protective stop a little bit tighter around here. So this will be my protective stop, So we were expecting 1:3 risk to reward ratio here, but actually now we have 1:6.23 risk to reward ratio, a very good one. So usually trading these kinds of impulsive waves, waves 3, wave C and waves A, can be very profitable trade. So now we have this as wave 4 and wave 5 in progress. So this might be the C either, or this might be the third wave impulsive. But for currently I'm putting my protective stop right here, and 2.7%, that is a good profit here. So around 508 pips to 10 pips we have profit here. So inside the fifth wave we have to see the 5 waves. For example, this is the first and the second, we have the third and fourth, and the fifth almost similar as all the impulsive waves. So right now I'm expecting a reversal from here, and this reversal could come around this area from here, correction. Then after that we'll have to wait for another confirmation if whether the trend will continue up or down. But looking at this trend line right here, especially this trend line, I don't want to wait for much confirmation. So this could be a very strong resistance here, right here. So this could be the resistance, and then the correction might follow. But I've moved my protective stop right here at this point. This is the protective stop that I want to put here right now. So if the price breaks this support, I will book the profit. So for $1 you're risking $1 and you have profit of $6. That's a very good profit margin here. And if we look at this trend line in a longer time frame, in the 15 minutes chart, what we can see is this trend line was a resistance at this area, and now it is in the same area. The price is moving, so we are expecting resistance here, and the fifth wave also completes right here. So, and if you look at still 1 hour chart, we can see that this is the trend line, a very strong trend line which was broken and is now acting as a resistance. So this was a successful trade. So while trading, these patterns are universal and is applicable to any time frame. You can trade in any time frame. It's fractal in nature, so we can trade in any time frame if we can actually see and make a strategy according to the pattern we see, and trade accordingly with a defensive style and with a strategy that helps you protect your gains, and also implement a stop loss strategy that will protect your portfolio amount or your trading amount. So this was a short demonstration of how we can trade in any market at any time frame using strategy with structures or patterns, trend lines and channeling, Hope you liked this video, and all the best for all the traders who watch this video. Thank you.